lens looks a little dirty. There we go. This office is a disaster. It's gonna have to wait. However, I do need one thing from the office, and that means we're going surfing. Alright, just gotta grab a go bag and then we are on our way. Florida, and you know, if you wait around for perfectly clean lines all the time, you're never gonna surf. So the best surfer in the world, Kelly Slater, he surfed there. He surfed these you know what waves all the time and makes your surfing better. So I'm stoked, just waiting on Raphael here. Once he rolls up, we'll paddle out. Figure I would just show you guys a little bit of what we're about to get into. Epic session. It really sucks, but I didn't have the GoPro out today. by accident, I forgot the floaty that helps, you know, if you were to lose it, it'll float and you can find it. I forgot it. I washed it yesterday and it was dry, and it was the one thing I forgot. I could have just mounted it and used it, but the waves were pretty big and powerful, and I did lose a GoPro about a month ago, and they're not cheap, and I learned my lesson. So either way, I got one of the best waves I've ever gotten today, and it's crazy to describe that feeling, what that is. But it was a left, dropped in, perfect bottom turn, real steep wave, maybe like, I don't know, half a foot overhead, probably head high, call it that, and pulled up on the bottom turn, did a huge wrap turn, big spray, couple people yelled, cut back, right into the barrel, covered up, shot out, and my day was made, my week was made. This is what I surfed for. It was an amazing feeling, just your toes gripping the board, barely hanging on, but in full control, and it's an amazing feeling. If you know it, you know it. Man, I feel like I've made this intro quite a few times, but for all good reasons. It is now day 5 of surfing in Venice, Florida, heading there right now, so hopefully I'll be able to wrap this video up, this little mini vlog, mini vid of surfing Venice, and I got this. So here we go.